We run, we win, guys. This is James. March 2018. Push-ups, max out. Let's see how many I can do. I think they said, someone said, put your arms something. I forgot. You have to say it again. So it's not like, oh yeah, spread the arms a little out, put them like inwards a little bit so that we can just do the thing. So let's go. One. By the way, I exercised before I did this. For someone who has an exercise channel, that's just lame. But anyways, no, I actually did my regular exercises, then I took a break, so I came back and did this one. So, because that's what's the purpose of a knocking out max push-ups, is if how many you can just do at the drop of a hat. That's pretty much why I do the maxing out. I just want to see how many you can do at the drop of a hat. So I love you. Thanks for joining me, and thanks for being such a wonderful audience. Talk to you later. God bless you. Bye.